Hello, everybody. It is me, Transforming Bug, here with another video, and today I will be playing Pokemon Infinite Fusion again for the third time. I'm on my way to go and take on Brock now, so this is gonna be fun. That's the museum, not Brock's gym. There's Brock's gym. Let's try out his gym trainers. Let's see how hard they are. Abra and Umbreon, making a Psychic Dark type. Ghost. Bug. That does not know any Bug type moves. Okay, then. Oh, it doesn't. Special attack. Aurora Beam should be special attack. Oof. Okay, I need to get one hit off. And it is dead now. Okay, I'm trying out the other gym trainer. I think he's rather psychic or dark type. My guess, I can't really have a guess at this point because there's only one Pokemon. Psychic type. Aurora Beam should do the trick. Or not. Of course you became confused. That's fine though. Blastoise and Drowsy. Philip, go. It's water starter versus water starter. Okay, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty well off. Psychic hard defense and determination. Snack and Philip, my two best Pokemon. Gardevoir and I don't know. Guard I don't know. Whatever it is not weak to Aurora Beam. Okay. Something that resists rock though. Primeape and Rinning. Aurora Beam. Oh, I'm weak to fighting. Switched. Very well. That's fine. I have Philip to clean up. Wow, Philip was in. Sorry, not Philip. Brock was incredibly easy to beat. Wow. I got the drying pan. Yep, I'm wearing the drying pan. I got Roar. Brock, that's not Rock Tomb. Got a premium Wonder Trade ticket. I could do a Wonder Trade if I wanted to, which would be incredibly funny, but also incredibly I'd be stuck with a fused Pokemon. Away I go. She meets me. I don't remember what she. Oh, yes, an outbreak of Pokemon. Let's see what Pokemon I have to catch here. Hitmonlee. Okay. I will try to catch that. No. I caught Hitmonlee. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna name him Kicker. Ooh, do you know what? I just see how good Philip and Snack do together. I like shorts. They're comfy and easy to wear. And that lady. 2v2. Oof. Just oof. So that's a dragon type. Still dead. Philip is level 14, and I use Aurora Beam on Driftlum. That's a bug catcher. I don't think he's gonna have any bug types though. Really don't think he's gonna have bug types. Nope, that is a water and ghost type. Or a that's a ghost psychic or a water poison type. Seems to be a water type. Of course it's a Stolly Pokemon. That's almost exactly what I need to face right now, a Stolly Pokemon. Nidoran Tyrogue. Let's try Hardy for a little bit. That's the most like normal one I've come across. It's not a weird it's not a weird legendary mythical fusion like a Late stage Pokemon fusion, just two little Pokemon. It's oddly beautiful that that is the first Pokemon I have found that has had a normal Ferrothorn and oof. Hey, Philip is level 15. Yes, I know how to avoid fights, but I don't want to avoid fights. That's the thing. I think Philip has become the new team captain, or it's going to use Roar. I can live with that. Oof. Well, Hardy is dead. Time for Philip. No, I should have used Mud Slap. The fire electric type. That would have been 4 times super effective. Isn't Peach a berry cure from poison or something? Yeah, it recovers from poison. Okay, next person. I'm fighting a Blaziken. Being fair though, I do have a Swampert, so it balances out. Why not Riolu? Surcuts, you go in. Oh, that does nothing. Ooh. Okay, that's fine. I'll use more quick attacks. Faint seems to be doing a lot of damage, though. Am I safe? Surcuts is fainted. Okay. Philip, your turn. Again. You're just somehow incredibly good. Pokemon I ever thought I'd have in this run is incredibly good. Fight me. Bangar. It's a Bangar. Aurora Beam should be. Yep. Down it goes. Do not learn Stealth Rock. It's good and competitive, non-regular playthrough. Aurora Beam again. This is incredibly easy. The Pokemon are station the game. Getting a Steelix as my starter probably didn't help out very much. Steelix is a defensive powerhouse. Cloyster is a frail offensive powerhouse. That's gonna be susceptible to an Aurora Beam. Oh, Aurora Beam still takes it down. Snack is incredibly good. I have to go and talk to Nurse Joy for a second. And I need to go heal my Pokemon. Are you sure that's a Geodude? Doesn't look like a Geodude. Yep. Just let me get the. Oh, yes. You get it after you go inside the cave. I can buy the Magikarp from the Magikarp seller. I randomized the gift Pokemon. It's gonna be something different. Honestly, I wouldn't mind a Magikarp. Fennekin. Okay. Browser. Yeah, I'm gonna fuse Browser and Hardy. Hey, you little cute pink dog. Lovekin. It sounds like a nickname for some. That sounds like something you'd call somebody. Like, oh, you're a Lovekin, aren't you? Browser. Attack. Splash. It was a splash knowing Fennekin. Just gotta go and grab. You know. I want that. I want that a lot. A psychic ghost type? That's incredibly good. It's just a little raft. Psychic ghost type. The only weakness would be there would be a few weakness. You're going in my party. Okay. Time to go into Mount Moon now. Oh, there's Pawniard. Pawniard and Scyther would be so cool together. Okay. You get 3 balls. Will you stay in? If you do, you fuse with Scyther. Looks like I'm gonna have a Bisharp Scizor fusion. Wow. Um, Spikes. Uh, a Sandy Gast. I already have a Palo Sand though. On a Grass Mail. Okay then. Team Rocket. I didn't expect that to happen. It's not like this is Kanto game or something. Oh no, it's a Kanto game. Team Rocket. I had to take them down. That's gonna be incredibly tedious to record. Enigma Berry. Okay then. Oh, I found a Porygon. This is one of my favorite Pokemon in this game because of the things you can do with it. No, I have one Pokeball left. I have one Pokemon left. One Pokeball left. Oh, okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to get another one. Looks like I'm gonna have to find another one. I need more Pokeballs. I need more balls first, though. Brock, you can wait. I need Porygon. Porygon's one of my favorite Pokemon to use in fusions in this game. Porygon and Golurk makes Optimus Prime. Give me Porygon. I want Porygon. There's a button that does speed up. Oh, it's this button. Okay. I'm using speed up from now on. Just to get to places, you know. Slow Mantis. I really hope Porygon wasn't a rare spawn or something. That would be horrible if it was. Executor and Kingler. I like Executor. But no, I can't do that. Being on my team is basically just a revolving door of if I keep you or not at this point. Found a Cherish Ball, okay. Yes, I'm gonna fuse Pawniard and Scyther too. Venusaur? Like, I need to try to get that. I need that. I need that too. Venusaur is cool. I need a Venusaur too. Okay, I'm going for a Pokeball. The premier You know what? No, I'm not gonna go for a Venusaur because it's just gonna waste my Pokeballs. Venusaur does not have a good catch rate. Not at all. Venusaur has a horrendous catch rate. Murkrow, I don't want you, Murkrow. There is something else that I want. It seems like Porygon is gonna be impossible to find. There we go. There he is. There's the good one. Cherish Ball. Go. Come on, catch Porygon. Yes. Okay. I caught Porygon. Now, Porygon is gonna get a nickname, but you guys don't get to see what the nickname is yet. Okay, I am now out of Mount Moon and I will be commencing to doing fusions. And then this episode will be over. Okay. Pawniard and Scyther. Dark Flying. That's just too cool to not do. Oh, it looks so cool. A bug type move. Now, the next Pokemon to be fused are Porygon and Farfetch'd. Because they have a very specific fusion. Specifically, this sprite becomes Birdly from Deltarune. Welcome to the team, Birdly. Birdly is now on my team. That's way too good to not keep. We have Birdly as a female. Damn it. Ugh. That was not. That was by accident. Crap. I think the egg comes out of my party. Thank you everybody for watching. It has been me, Transforming Bug. Good. Bye.